grammar. So today in this video module we shall discuss about the topic short forms given in our English grammar book. So let me first tell you that short forms are also called contractions in English. Okay, so if we are talking about short forms or we are talking about contractions, then it is one and the same thing. So short forms are also called contractions in English grammar. So let us first know what are contractions, or what are the short forms. A contraction is a shorter way to say two words. Okay, that means short forms. What are short forms? Short forms is a way to say two words in a short way. Okay, so like for the example given on the screen is plus not. So is plus not, if we contract it or if we write the short form it can be written as isn't. Okay, please listen to my pronunciation carefully. We will pronounce it as isn't. So here an apostrophe will fill the space of the missing letter. So O is missing here. So in place of O, we will put the apostrophe. So whenever we are writing the contractions, whenever we are writing the short forms, in place of the missing letters, we put the apostrophe. So let us know more about the contractions now. The first point that we have already studied is a contraction is one word made from two words. Okay, so we join two words and we get a new word. So a contraction is one word made from two words. The second point here is the first word usually stays the same. Okay, when we are writing the contraction of two words, the first one remains the same. Okay, third point is certain letters are taken out of the second word. Now we take out, or we just omit, or we just miss few letters from the second word, and in place of those missing letters, what do we place? We place an apostrophe. So the fourth point here is an apostrophe will fill the space of the missing letters. So a contraction is a shorter way of writing two words. So with the help of two words, we get a new word that is in a short form. That is a short form of those two words. The first word remains the same. The second word, in the second word, few letters are being missed. Okay, few letters are taken out, and in place of those missing letters, we put an apostrophe. Now on your screen you can see few examples of the contractions. Okay, in the first column, the first word of each contraction is written. In the second column, the second word is written, and in the third column, the contracted form or the short form of those two words are written. So you can see that the first word of all the words, the first word remains the same, and few letters are being taken or few letters are being missed from the second word, and in place of those missing letters, we have placed an apostrophe. So whenever we are putting an apostrophe, that means some letters are being taken away from that place, and in the place of those missing letters, we place an apostrophe. So this is the way we write the contractions, or we write the short forms in English grammar. Now children, let us see few examples in the form of sentences where we have used the short forms. So the first sentence is I am waiting for my friends. So in the second sentence, you can see the way the contraction or the short form is written for I am. It is written as I apostrophe and then M. So this is the way we write the short form for I am. So here it is written as I apostrophe M waiting for my friends. Okay. Next is it is a beautiful day. So in the second sentence again we have used the short form for it is, and the sentence become it's. We'll pronounce it is in the short forms as it's a beautiful day. Next is you are hardworking. You are a hardworking girl. Okay, and the contraction for you are will be made as you remains the same, and are in this word are we have missed a, and in place of a we have used apostrophe, and re will be written as it is. So you are a hardworking girl. So this is the way we use the contractions, or we use the short forms in the sentences. So now children, it's time to learn about the contractions when the word will is given. Okay, so when the word will is used in a contraction, the letters wi are dropped and replaced with an apostrophe. Okay, so we will, she will, he will, you will, they will, I will. In all these cases, the letters wi are dropped or they are missed, and in place of these two letters we place an apostrophe. So the first word remains the same. In place of letters wi we will place an apostrophe, and the last two letters will again remain the same as double L. So we will, she will, he will. In all these circumstances, in all these cases where the word will is used in contraction, I'm repeating this rule again, I'm repeating it again, please listen to me carefully. When the word will is used in a contraction, the letters wi are dropped and replaced with an apostrophe. So the first word will remain the same. Okay, remains the same, and in place of wi we will put an apostrophe, and double L will come at the end. So now children, on your screen you can see that we have used contractions with the word will in the form of few sentences. I'm reading the first sentence. It is we will go to a picnic next Sunday. So in place of the letters wi, those are dropped here, those are missed here, we have used an apostrophe. So we will read the sentence as will go to a picnic next Saturday. Okay, we have dropped the letters wi, and in place of those missing letters we have put an apostrophe. We have done the same thing in the sentence, in the second sentence also. The second sentence is it will rain tomorrow. Again here wi, the letters wi are missing, and in place of the missing letters we have placed an apostrophe. So this is the way we are using. We will write the contraction when the word will is there in the sentence. Now children, we are going to learn about the contractions with the word not. Okay, so whenever there is the word not, we are going to, in this case we are going to miss the letter O, and in place of O we'll put an apostrophe. Look at the examples given on your screen. The first one is has not. So here we will miss the letter O, and in place of the missed letter we will put an apostrophe. So has not will be read as hasn't. Cannot will be read as can't. So here we have missed no. Okay, so it will be written as can, and in place of those missed letters nno we have put an apostrophe and then t. Do not will be written as don't. Will not will be written as won't, and is not will be written as isn't. Now children, let us look at the few sentences where we have used a contraction with the letter not. So first sentence is do not make a noise in the class. So do not, here we have missed the letter O, and in place of that letter we have used an apostrophe, and we are going to read the sentence as don't make a noise in the class. The second sentence is Amit did not take his breakfast. So did not will be written as didn't. Here again we have missed the letter O, and in place of O we have put an apostrophe, and we are going to read this letter this sentence as Amit didn't take his breakfast. So children, with this we have come to the end of this topic, contractions or the short forms. I hope you've understood it. Today in the Zoom class in the evening, I'm going to again take up this topic, and whatever your doubts and problems are related to this topic, we'll take it up in the Zoom class. So till then children, take care of yourself and goodbye.